welcome to Hudson's. We're opening oysters today, and we've got the Lindisfarne oysters. So these take about 4 years to get to this size, and then they're ready to eat. The seedlings roughly the size of your fingernail. That's how they start. What you'll need is a decent oyster knife. You can buy these oyster knife sets, but what I like to do is just have a tea towel ready so the oyster doesn't slip. There's a hinge in the corner where the oyster goes there. There's sometimes a little bit of dirty water in there, so I wouldn't eat the oyster that way, always from that, and it naturally slides in. So we'll try and open one. What you do is you slowly wedge the oyster into the hinge, and then you turn the oyster knife and press upwards. What you do there is there's a membrane on each side of the oyster. Cast off the membrane, you can see where the oyster's been. By no means puncture the oyster because it'll go cloudy. Take off, cast off, and turn the oyster over. Then the oyster should be free to eat. If there's any little bits of shell or excess water, it's always nice to have a bit of the seawater in there because that adds to the flavour. Pour a little bit of the oyster off, and then these oysters are ready to eat. To eat an oyster, just slide in, down. Some people swallow, some people chew. I prefer to chew because the flavour, and there's an aftertaste about 10 seconds that has an irony but milky flavour, but also the taste of the sea. Brilliant.